What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. It's bright and early today. Y'all already know I couldn't wait to come down here and get it going, man. I just dropped the video, so man, make sure y'all check that out. The last video, if y'all haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. We almost at 30,000 subscribers, man. Don't be no hater, man. If you're watching the video and enjoy it, at least give a thumbs up, share it, and if you really like your boy, man, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. I want to get it on up, man. Trying to get 50K subscribers, man, coming here soon. But without further ado, man, we got the black bike in the back right there. We got all the parts laid out right here. Got some stuff still in boxes, so we'll be pulling that out, getting the bike situated to get transferred over to that purple, and getting this thing looking totally different, man. So without further ado, man, let's get right into it now, man. Shh. Alrighty, man, we got everything pulled out. Now on the ground like this, it kind of looks like that blue paint job we just had on on the Blue Street Glide. But man, pull this thing out in the sun. Sheesh. It does look really freaking good, man. Really freaking good. We got all the parts pulled out. It's windy as heck out here. It's like always gonna be something to slow us up or whatever the case may be. But about to spin that bike around and start getting this interfering off, because that's like the hardest part right now is this interfering. But we'll get that situated and get it going, dog. Let's get it. Let's jump on it. All right, now I ain't gonna even hold y'all, man. It looked like a lot going on. It even feel like a lot, because I'm like, where do I start? Where do I start? But we got it going. However, the only thing that's holding me up is this clutch cable. It goes through the fairing, so I'm trying to figure out how to get this clutch cable undone. Like I said, I'm having a hard time figuring this clutch thing out, and nobody that I know working on bikes is answering this early, apparently. So I'm about to have to YouTube this real quick. And then these gauges seem like they don't want to come out. Like on my Street Glide, my last one, they came out real simple and easy. These seems like it's having a hard time, man. What the heck? All right, man. So I just had to reset. Just hit up my boy Backhouse Customs. He said I got to collapse this down to the thread. Then come up here, take this little pin off right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But after I get that, this lever will pop out, and I'll be able to slide it. But that's our only concern right now. Other than that, we should be good. Getting these gauges out seems to be a little bit different than the newer Street Glides, because it was like easy. You just twist them and they pop off. These seems like it's a little bit different. Or I just got to figure out the right way to do it. But we getting there, man. Like I said, I haven't took off an interfering on an older bike. Not an older bike, but like, you know, not an M8. So we're going to get it going. Yes, sir. Just like that. Shout out my boy Backhouse Customs. Y'all go follow my boy. Got me right. I didn't even know how to do that, but now I do. Good looking out. It's great how much a simple FaceTime can educate you, man. But we got that out. Let's finish getting this fairing off real quick, dog. Freaking finally. I mean, it wasn't hard. You just have to know what to do. All the connectors was in a way. But all in all, we got the inner and outer fairing off. Is looking like a real road king right now. But all the wires and everything is here. Gonna get it back situated, man. Now I wanted to take this off and color coordinate that, but kind of forgot about it. No big deal, man. We just let's get this stuff switched over to this new fairing though. That's the main thing right there. After that, everything else is pretty much simple. So I got the all the radio and stuff off of the interfering. However, Like I said, this is not like the newer bikes where this one you just screw it apparently, because I've been trying to unscrew these gauges and they not coming off. So I got to look up real quick again how to do this. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it and you could too. All right, so I couldn't find it on YouTube, but called up Dre, and he told me with these old ones, you just, after it's screwed out, you literally just gotta hit this metal part and it'll pop out, and that's exactly what it did, man. So now that we got that out the way, we can literally put this fan back together and put it back on there, man. So let's try to get this thing done real quick. So alrighty, guys, we got this inner fairing. Looks like it's coming together slowly but surely. Got the little gauges in there. Everything is good to go. Actually, it's looking really good, man. I'm digging it. Got like literally 1 or 2 more pieces on this thing, and we'll get that radio on there. But we'll be good to go after that, man. So stay tuned. Now that we got our gauges and our speakers and everything up here in, I had to get that in. I had to like trim some stuff because you guys know these are aftermarket interference. They're never exactly, but got that going. It's one more little piece that goes up there. But other than that, we'll be good to go. Let's get this thing situated. Alrighty, got that interference all intact, man. It's time to get this thing back on there and hope for the best, man. Hope for the best, dog. Yeah, let's get it. Fuck is up, man?
That nigga got some parts out.
Man, y'all seen the bike at Dre's, man. He finally done got it out here and riding it and everything, man. Feel me? Y'all see what's going on, man. Just getting this one. Yeah, you know, for sure. He got the GoPro, man. I want to see the footage, man. And I'm getting it together, though, man. Slowly but surely, dog. Slowly but surely, man. Let's keep this thing going real quick, man. We almost done with the interference. All right, man, we got this interfering type buttoned up. Y'all know this aftermarket stuff is like something different, man. It's like little freaking bolts behind this one that you have to like, I had to drill out. So I'll be able to get that lug nut behind that. But now that we got that, everything is pretty much situated. Got to start putting these, connecting these plugs back together. And then we'll get that outer fairing on and work our way back. But it is looking pretty good, man. It's windy as heck out here. The homies just pulled up on this thing, man. So I'm trying to get some stuff done so we can possibly get some slide in, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. About to get cracked. Alrighty, guys, we got that inner fairing in. It is kind of dark in here, so you can't really see it that well, but it is on there. Pretty much good to go. Got to get this little thing right here. The freaking lighter, I was having trouble getting that out, man. So we'll have to deal with that when we get to the end, but it is looking good. Let's get this outer fairing and light on and stuff. Getting somewhere now, man. It's starting to look like something. We done got this, we got the inner fairing on, working on the outer fairing right now. About to get the windshield for this and the little trim piece so we can button this up and then worry about that light and pretty much be done with the front. Get that wraparound on there. Everything after this, like I said, is pretty much quick. So just about done with the front here, but we're gonna get it together. Finally, man, after oh so long, the inner and outer fairing is on there. Got to get one bolt for the windscreen there. We waiting on a trim piece as well, but I don't even think that's gonna be here by the time we take the bike. So looking good though. Let's a little bit of gap right there. Guess that'll bring that in like that. But we getting there slowly but surely, man. We're gonna turn this thing to the side and start getting this side and everything else done. All right, man, we done got a whole lot done. It looked like not a lot, but definitely is a lot. That purple is looking blue right now because of the clouds and stuff. But we do got that inner on that joint. Man, that thing looking so good. Got that outer. Thing is looking incredible. Wait till we throw that wraparound on there. It's gonna look that much better. We almost done. Just gotta do the rear fender right now. And that'll be pretty much the end of that. We'll probably be able to get the bags today. If not, I think we'll be getting done first thing in the AM, but I'm digging it, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below. All right, so we got our rear fender here. We have to take off all 4 of these bolts, 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the sides. Put them on that one. We don't need this tail light or nothing else off of there. We also need this middle piece because last time I put the whole thing on and forgot about that. And these, so let's get this swapped over real quick and get going. Man, I know we was bound to run into something. So on this original rear fender, we have this plug. Looks like so. Comes from the brake light and goes like that. This new one that we have has a totally different. So it has this one, which goes into this third light down here. That goes into that. And the cord that feeds from is this. So I don't have a connection piece for this to go into here. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to put this this chrome turn signals on there. I guess it'll be cool because the front is, the rest of the bike is chrome, but really wanted that black one on there. No big deal. We'll just swap it out and keep on going, dog. All right, so you learn something new every day. We can't even use this one now because freaking this one got 3 bolts in it. We don't got no bolts on that one, so we just gonna load this one up on the bike like it is. And have BBV get it going with the brake lights and stuff like that. No big deal, but let's get this fender on here, man. I'm tired of dealing with it. Alrighty, guys, just test fitting the bag. We got the fender on there. Now with this bag, I'm gonna have to do some drilling and some cutting on that metal, and I don't have the tools for that, so I'm gonna skip the bags right now. I'm gonna jump on the wraparound fender, put these two little pieces on, so we'll just have just the bags left. So almost there, guys. Almost there, but almost. Alrighty, guys. We got everything pretty much on there except for the bags. And then this wraparound, the holes on this on the actual fender is not matching up. If you guys can see back there, it's like that on both sides. So I got to drill out more on that wraparound. But other than that, man, this thing looks really good. I'm digging this purple. Digging the purple now. Like I said, guys, it does look blue like my street glide I just had on camera. It does look blue. However, that's from the clouds and stuff up top. But golly, that thing looks amazing. Now I just gotta button up these bags, and then we should be good. Once we button up the bags and stuff, we'll be good there. I don't have that on there. I just have it mocked up so far. So stay tuned for that. This thing is looking amazing, y'all. But I've been out here literally since this morning. So I'm gonna have to reset, call it a day. Leave it like this, man. I'm not touching nothing else today. I think I'm pretty much done for today. So I'm glad we got it to this point. It's a good little starting point for tomorrow. We can go up tomorrow to be done. Go get the little parts we need. Don't need much, but we do got to go to BBV so they can wire up this fender, because like I showed you earlier, it doesn't have the same connector piece. But all in all, no big deal, man. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below, dog. All right, man. Later on in the day, got the garage somewhat cleaned up. Got everything on the purple bike in those two bags right there. Just got to put the bags together tomorrow. But that's pretty much done and out the way. Got to get maybe some risers or something for that wraparound, because you know that tire loves to rub on that tire, man. So got to check that out tomorrow as well. I got a grip of parts over here, guys. Bunch of like saddlebag rail guards and stuff like that. These are the saddlebag rails that came off of this purple bike. But we also got some little fog lights and turn signals and stuff like that. Got a tour pack rack right here. Speakers, tour pack speakers right there. Kind of bad lighting, but we got a CVO, Harley CVO seat. Other tour pack, like little rest stuff and stuff like that. We got these saddlebag covers. They go over the top of the saddlebags. Corvette steering wheel. Then a stock radio. All this stuff really, really cheap, man. Let me know what you guys want to do. Shoot me a message on everythingsregular.com as well. We have that fender back there ready to go. Let me know what you guys need. Everything is cheap, because I'm telling you, I'm getting ready to throw it away soon. So let me know what y'all need. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Man, it was a long freaking day, man. We got the bikes lined up right here. We got everything cleaned up in here. Looks really, really good. Now we just gonna pretty much finish that off tomorrow, man. Real long day. I'm just ready to go upstairs, man. So with that being said, I'm gonna keep it short, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, dog, man. I will catch you guys tomorrow, dog. Peace.